Hi everyone, welcome to this video on adding accent walls to your home. Accent walls are a great way to add color and interest to a room without overwhelming the space. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to add accent walls to your home. Tip number 1, choose the right wall when selecting a wall for an accent. Consider the natural focal point of the room. This could be a wall with a fireplace, a wall with a large window, or a wall that faces the entrance to the room. Tip number 2, pick a bold color. Accent walls are a great opportunity to use a bold, eye-catching color. Choose a color that complements the other colors in the room and creates the mood you want to achieve. Tip number 3, use textured materials to add interest to an accent wall. Consider using textured materials such as brick, stone, or wood paneling. This can help create a focal point in the room and add warmth and texture. Tip number 4, incorporate wall art. Accent walls are a great place to display wall art. Choose pieces that complement the color and style of the accent wall and use them to create a cohesive look. Tip number 5, keep the rest of the room neutral. When adding an accent wall, it's important to keep the rest of the room neutral. This helps to balance the space and allows the accent wall to really stand out. I hope these tips have helped you in adding accent walls to your home. Accent walls are a great way to add color and interest to a room without overwhelming the space. Thank you for watching.